stopped. Heaven sent a saint today to pray for your healing. Today is the feast of Saint Sabas, the sanctified, a holy man who lived a life of deep prayer, silence, and strong faith. If your heart is wounded, if your mind is tired, if your soul feels weak, Saint Sabas is praying for you today. He is known for bringing peace, healing, and inner strength to those who feel overwhelmed. Through Mama Mary's mantle and the intercession of Saint Sabas, may your spirit be restored, may your heart be healed. Amen. Follow for daily Catholic prayers and spiritual protection.